Alright, so we are here on deck 12 with the atrium behind me. Let's go take a look. We are here on deck 12 in the forward stairwell elevator bank. Directly in front of us is Spa Carnival. Checking at the desk in front of me for your spa treatments. And there's also locker rooms to reach the gym. Men's on the left, women's on the right. Let's head on outside. Alright, we are now on deck 14, or the grand deck. You can head inside here to reach the cabins that are on this deck. This is also where the mini golf course is. It's a pretty fun course. Good luck on some of these obstacles though. But everything on a cruise counts as a hole-in-one, right? I mean, doesn't matter how many shots you hit, you can just put yourself down for one and you have the best game you ever had. At least that's how I look at it. But then again, I play alone, so I don't have anybody to argue with. I guess on that one it kind of works. This one's an extra challenge. What you have to do is get the ball up that ramp. And it's supposed to ramp around, come back down, and get into the hole. It is definitely not as easy as that sounds, though. This one I was trying to jump the green, but again, that's never worked. Although I did ramp it off the fence once, it almost went in. And the final hole. With this one, you play Plinko and just hope the luck is on your side. You may get a hole-in-one, but it may also just completely roll off the course as well. And finally, here we are on deck 15, the sun deck. And as the name implies, this is a great place to come soak up the sun. There are plenty of loungers up here, and you get some great views off the front of the ship, and also a great place to watch sail away as well. Alright, so this has been a look at decks 12, 14, and 15 on the Carnival Paradise. We're at the top of the ship, so this ends our ship tour. As always, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below, and don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And from the Carnival Paradise, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.